Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Coot. I hope y'all having a good week. Now we're going to do something a little different today. We're not going to be cooking nothing. I'm going to be showing off. Some of my fans have been sending me all these kind of cool things, and I just want to share real quick with you some of them things. All right, so right here, my very first thing that was ever sent to me was this here little hand thingy, candle covery thingy dangy thing. And a little girl named Paula sent this to me. She's over in North Carolina, and I really do like that thing. Goes right here on your handle, keeps from burning your hands up and stuff. And then another sweet little girl named Linda, she sent me this. She's from North Carolina too. I really do love that. That one there is a silicone, something, some kind of fancy stuff. You slide it on there, it does the same thing this one does, and I love that. Now, boy, a real pretty friend of mine sent this to me. Now she's from up in New Jersey. She's moved from there now, but that's where she's from. And cutting board got Cooking with Coot on there, bamboo. I'm telling you, that thing works. That thing works really good. And I've got one right here that we're gonna open for you. All right. So this one comes all the way from East Tennessee. A little girl named Violet. Young lady named Violet has sent this to me. So let's open it up and see what Violet has sent to me. We're going to be real careful with this knife that we don't cut ourselves. There's nothing. And let's just see. Oh, it is pot holders. I can see. Oh, and they are embroidered. Look at there. It says property of Uncle Coot. Boys, I know you probably wish you could buy these in the Uncle Coot store. We might set us up one of them sometime. And look at that. I'm telling you what, looks like some cornbread in the cast iron skillet right there. Whoo-wee, I'm telling you what. Violet, thank you so much. I love them a whole bunch, I sure do. And I love this. I appreciate it so much. And Paula and Linda, I tell you what, you girls are hot, I'm telling you. I mean, you don't want me to get burnt. That's what I mean. Don't take that wrong, okay? Well, we're going to be taking a little bit of a different approach to our schedule of our shows. We might not be putting one up every Tuesday. Our executive producer is a weenie, and he can't get the job done that quick. A little weenie he is. And so he's got some kind of dispute about the money he's making on these shows, and he's just a weenie, that's what I say. Anyway, we're going to put them up as quick as we can, and when we do, we'll send you a notice over on Facebook. So until we get us another one ready, bye-bye. Hey, about what some of them fans have. Why does it seem so dark in here? All right, let's start.
We're going to have bloopers on this short thing.
Here we go. 3, 2.